Hi, this is Ivan from bestsoftware4.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about Designevo.com, which is now in the Mirror. It's a program to generate logos, so it is kind of nice. It has a lot of logos, and the only problem it has is that you can only have 5 logos. The thing is that if you can just get a logo, download it with all the versions that you have, even the SVG, and then you can remake the logo so you can have a space or room for doing another logo. I'm going to go just quickly about how to do a logo. Let's say that I have a hamburger, then I want to just do a logo for that. Let's go hamburger. So you see there are a lot of things, cool logos by the way, and I could go for instance to this one, and I could choose similar or customize. Similar means that some others that are close but are just not the same, so we could have here some others depending on your taste. Those are not hamburgers anymore, but something that and something having to do with that. We want hamburgers. We should go here again. Okay, and let's say that we like this one. Okay, so then we'll go to customize. Here we have that. Let's say my company name is Barbecue Hamburgers. Nice name by the way. Slogan. We cook what you want. Okay, and now we can change things here. So for instance, you see the colors here. Let's say that we want the sauce to be of another color, like I don't know, ketchup, okay? And we say the bread, let's change the bread to be a little like that, okay? And those, I want those to be more like red. Okay, so you can change that too. You can even turn that. Over here is not a good idea. And of course, you can change the font here. You could just put this one, which is horrible by the way. You can do any one you want, and you can change of course the size. Let's say 18, or that's too small of course, that, or you can give effects, which is opacity, so maybe you want it to be like transparent or something. Outline, and you can change the outline and the width of the outline. Yeah, let's say it's that way. And the shadow or glow, you can put shadows. Okay, and then you can change that too. Change the color of the shadow. Then we can, let's do that. Well, that's not going to go very well, but I don't know, that way, okay? And here just the same font size, color. We can choose another color, whatever we want. Okay, here format, okay, spacing, like if we want that to be greater or line height, if we just want to change that, the curve, oh, we can curve that, that's cool. You know that. Okay. So, and you can also change, you can put icons here, like, I don't know, star. Okay, so let's say I want here some stars, well, whatever I want. Of course, I can change the color or whatever. That's horrible. I will put it out. But you get the idea. And you can change the background. So let's say you want a gradient background like that. And how cool is that? Okay, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. Then you would download here. You can change here it was there. Okay, you could change the resolution, the pixels, and all that. And with the package you get all the formats, PNG, GPG, and all SVG. So what it's not very nice is the way that you have to apply your LTD. Is that you go here, you say choose, and then once you have this, instead of paying, you just go to have a coupon and just put your license number here and say redeem, okay? And that way you will just use a license. But you don't have to care that much about the 5 logos limit, because what you cannot have is 5 logos saved at the same time. But you can have, like, let's say I download this logo and now I want to change it completely. I just go there and I just change the hamburger for something else and it's done. So you don't keep the other logo, but you can do a logo again. So the trick is this: get everything, download it, and then later you can reuse that. So that way you will have infinite logos. What you won't have is the ability to go back to that logo if you need it. I mean, if you need 1 or 2 that have to be there, that's cool. Maybe if you have an agency and you need to have all those logos to make little changes and have them for months, maybe it's not that great. Okay, anyway, your call. I think at the price that it's now, it's a good idea, and I am enjoying it, and I have done several logos that I am liking. It's not easy to see a LTD for logos, and I think this one, which is established company, it's a good idea. Goodbye guys, see you later.